Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today we will start a new chapter number 6, class 7, Introduction to HTML. But before that, we will recall what we have learned up till now in previous chapters. In chapter number 1, we have learned definition of networking, types of networking, topologies, transmission channel, components of network, and architecture. In chapter number 2, we have learned cell reference, sorting data, filtering data. Then we have learned conditional formatting, creating charts, importing data from another document. So chapter number 2 is all about MS Excel advanced features. In chapter number 3, we have learned World Wide Web, definition of World Wide Web, protocols on the web, components of the web hosting, how web work, uses of the World Wide Web. Now we will see definition of HTML. Introduction to HTML, page number 61, chapter number 6, class 7. Learning objective. You will learn from what is HTML, HTML editor, HTML tags and tag attributes, important HTML tags. What is HTML? You can underline definition of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext is simply a piece of text which contains links to other texts, whereas markup language is a way of writing styles and layout information within a text document. So students, HTML is used to create web pages. We use this language because it is easy to use and edit. It uses plain text and fast to download. All coding is done using Notepad, which is readily available with almost all the Windows-based operating system. Students, markup languages are designed for processing, definition, and presentation of text. HTML is an example of markup language. HTML is a simple scripting language mainly used for developing web pages. It is easy to learn and understand. Students, HTML document is a plain text file that contains text and HTML tags. It is also called a web page. So, before learning the language, the following points should be kept in mind. First one is HTML is not a programming language but a markup language. We mainly use it to create web pages. It creates simple text files using any HTML editor like Notepad. It consists of markup tags. We use tags in HTML. It is saved with the extension of .htm or .html. HTML is not case sensitive, that is, HTML in capital or HTML in small are the same. So students, now it is clear for you that HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It allows the user to create and structure paragraphs, headings, links for web pages and applications. HTML is not a programming language, means that it does not have the ability to create dynamic functionality. It allows you to create documents similar to Microsoft Word. In HTML, we use simple tags and attributes to create websites and web pages. HTML editors. Before creating an HTML document, you must first learn about the HTML editors. HTML editor is a software application required to create web pages. We need HTML editor to write our code. These web pages can be viewed using any web browser such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, etc. There are several types of HTML editor. So students, today you have learned about what is HTML and HTML editor. HTML means a text that contains reference to other text that viewers can access immediately. So students, we can write our code of HTML in Notepad. First we will open Notepad. Here we will write our simple text by using different tags and attributes to create our web page. We use simple Notepad as text editor or HTML editor. So students, in our next lecture, we will see other type of text editor plus how we can write our code using text, tags and its attribute. What is the structure of an HTML code? You will do reading of chapter number 6, page number 61, class 7 as homework. We have done HTML, introduction and HTML editor. And I hope you all have completed exercise and question answers of previous chapter number 1, 2 and 3 on your notebooks. Exercise on books and question answers on notebook. You have to write down question answers on notebook and exercise on book. I hope you all have done that. Students, all of you know how to open Notepad. First you will click on Start button, All Programs, then Accessories. In Accessories you will click on Notepad. Practice this at home as homework. In your first term, we have included 3 more chapters. Chapter number 6, Introduction to HTML, chapter number 7, Elementary HTML, and chapter number 13, Introduction to Programming Concept in first term. So we have included 3 more chapters in first term.